Welcome to today's video. It's a few days after actually filming that video, but I forgot to do an intro. I'm going to be doing a full exhaust replacement on my VW T4 because mine's corroded and I need it for the MOT. Hopefully this video is helpful to you and you can learn something from it, or if there's anything else you want me to do, put it down in that comment section below. So here's the exhaust. That now needs to go underneath there. Got majority of the tools I think I'm going to need. Spare gloves because I'm bound to rip them. WD-40 for the bushing. I think the only thing I really need to do is, hopefully I can show you. Yep, just there. Is the cap, and then there's that flange I need to take off, and then take off that little bit of exhaust that's broke. And then that bit we'll just replace. So let's get it done. So what I need to remove is this remaining piece. As you can see, mine snapped from there, nothing further back. So I'm going to remove all of this up to there, that bolt there, and the one at the bottom of 13, and if I can get it, that one at the top that you can just about see there, that's a 17. So need to get them removed and then get this piece off to be able to replace a new one. So hopefully you can see okay. This is the piece I need to remove. For about where my hand is back, there is nothing. So this bolt and this bolt here, if you can see, they're both 13s. There's one around the top that's a 17. Need to get them off to be able to replace. That's a bit of WD-40, never hurt nobody. Well, it probably did actually, but soak the bolts, get that off. Soak all the bolts up. And hopefully they will come off a bit easier. How easily this lot comes off, shall we? Obviously limited space, I'm doing this on my driveway. It's a lot easier if you had a ramp or something, but I do not. So that bolt was a lot looser than I thought it was going to be. Oh, that one was quite hard. If you don't have yourself a crack bar, probably a good thing to invest in. Right, so once you've undone those 3 bolts, ideally you've got a spanner as well because they will try and spin on you. All 3 of these were apparently 13mm. The exhaust I just took off, they was a mixture of 13s and 17s. Back again, sorry about that. Apparently the scrappies came up in our area. We have scrap guys coming round and they thought they'd try and take my exhaust. Absolutely bloody not. That's mine. Just need to remove this hanger, which obviously is going to be an asshole. And then that is that removed. So there's it removed. There's the old one. As you can see, just that tiny little bit in comparison to what I've actually got to fit. So let's get this new one fitted. It's quite an easy job, to be fair. Just line up all these hangers. The rubbers are already underneath the van, so I just need to line them up and push them in, and then redo up those front 3 bolts, and then it'll be done. So as you can see, the exhaust is now in place, roughly. I'm now going to get some trusty WD-40 and lube up all of these rubber hangers all the way down, so I can hang the exhaust from the factory locations, and then do up those front 3 bolts, and I should be done. So let's get this bit done. And then that is that. All that's all tight. Well, I hope it's tight. All the hangers are on. Give it a hit, it doesn't rattle. So let's start it up and see what it's like. It's easy as that, really. It is a easy job to do. It's what, 3 bolts and 5 hangers. It's just quite awkward to try and get it into place. But it's an easy job, and it's a lot cheaper than taking it to a garage. So I hope this video has helped. If it has helped, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. More how-tos and custom interior builds and family and stuff. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.